Today's game is going to deal with the operation of subtraction. Subtraction is unique in the fact that there are many different ways a child may think about subtraction. For example, they may think about it as taking away from a larger number, as in 9 take away 3, and what's left is 6. They might think about it as the difference between two numbers. What is the difference between 9 and 3? Well, it is the 6 that you see there. They might think about it as a missing add-on or part. If I start at 3, how many more do I need to get to 9? 6 is the missing part. So for our game today, you're going to need a few items from the math toolkit that was sent home earlier this year. You are going to need a 10-sided die. And for this game, you're going to need 2 of this die, but I know that you only have 1. So you will either need to roll this die twice in order to get the numbers that you are subtracting, or I left a link on our class blog to a virtual dice that you can use at home, and you'll see me use that when I play this game. You are also going to need 2 copies of the game board that I put on our class blog, one for player 1 and one for player 2. Please put these game boards inside of the plastic sheet that was also sent home in the toolkit. That way, you and who you're playing against, your student, you can play against somebody in your family. That way, you can use a dry and erase marker and you can easily erase and play the game multiple times. All right, so let's get started with the game. In this example, player 1 is going to be elephant and player 2 is going to be piggy. The students know how to play this game because we've played a lot in class. So here's what's going to happen. Player 1 will go first, and I'm going to show you how the virtual dice will work. You are going to need 2 of the 10-sided dice. So player 1 will roll. And they get a 9 and a 3. So they're looking at what is the difference between 9 and 3, or 9 take away 3, or 3 plus what makes 9. So I'm going to do it as 9 take away 3. That's the strategy that I like to use. And there are some tools on the bottom of this paper that you can use. So 9 take away 3, 1, 2, 3 leaves me with 6. Now you go on the top, and if 6 is a number that is available or open, you cross it off. And now 6 is no longer available. Player 2 is going to go next. My player 2 is Piggy. They are going to roll their 2 dice. What is the difference between 8 and 1, or 8 minus 1? Or 1 plus what makes 8? I think it's easier to just count back. This player wants to use that strategy. 8 take away 1 is 7. So they're going to come over and they're going to cross off 7. Now it is going to be elephant's turn again. Now if elephant has the difference of 6 when they roll their 2 dice, they will get 1 strike because 6 is no longer available. When the player gets 3 strikes, the game will be over. So you want to try to be on these like safe, we call them bases in class, rather than getting strikes, because 3 strikes means you're out. So here comes elephant. 8 minus 6, or I'm going to count on for this one. Look at the missing part. So 6 and what makes 8? 6 and 2 makes 8. And 2 is available, so no strike for elephant. Now it's going to be Piggy's turn. Piggy is going to roll. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 is available. So let's say that elephant has the difference of 2 the next time they roll. Elephant would get a strike, and it would be Piggy's turn to go. And Piggy gets the difference of 5, and 5 is available. An elephant goes, and elephant gets the difference of 4, and 4 is available. And then Piggy goes, and Piggy gets the difference of 3, and 3 is available. An elephant goes and gets the difference of 4. Oh no, 4 is not available. That's a strike. And Piggy goes, and Piggy gets the difference of 4. That's available. No strikes for Piggy. An elephant goes and gets the difference of 4. Oh no, 3 strikes, and elephant is out, and Piggy is the winner. And that is how you play the game. Have fun and enjoy playing 3 strikes, you're out to practice subtraction.